In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice on Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process together, starting from your Shopify admin dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to build a draft order and email a professional invoice to your customer. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Orders. Go ahead and click on Orders. When you do, a few more options will appear underneath. From those options, select Drafts. This is the area where Shopify stores draft orders that haven't been fully processed yet. Now that you're on the Drafts page, you'll see a list of any existing draft orders you may have already created. To start a brand new invoice, look to the top right corner of the page and click Create Order. This opens up a blank draft order, which is what we'll use to generate the invoice. Next, we need to add products to this draft order. In the products section of the draft, you'll see an option to browse your existing products. Click Browse. A pop-up window will open, showing all the products that are already in your Shopify store. From here, check the box next to each product you want to include in this invoice. Take a moment to double-check quantities and make sure you're selecting the correct items. When you're happy with your selection, click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up. The products will now appear in your draft order. You also have the option to add custom items if needed, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on existing products. Once your products are added, look towards the top of the page, near the search bar, and click Save. Saving is important so you don't lose the details you've just set up, and it makes sure the draft order is properly stored in Shopify. Now that your draft order is ready, you can turn it into an invoice and send it to your customer. Inside the draft order, scroll down to the Payments section. On the bottom right of this area, click Send Invoice. A new pop-up window will appear with several options. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a field labeled To. This is where you enter your customer's email address, the one where you want the invoice to be delivered. Just type in the correct email carefully, because this is where Shopify will send the payment link. Below that, you'll see the subject line and a message field. You can leave the default subject or customize it to better match your brand or the context of the order. In the message box, you can add a short, friendly note, like a thank you message, or any important instructions about payment or delivery. Keeping this clear and professional helps your customer understand what the invoice is for and how to complete the order. Further down, you'll see a couple of additional options. One allows you to lock the product prices. If you enable this, the prices on the invoice won't change even if you later adjust the prices in your store. This is useful if you've agreed on a specific quote with the customer and want to make sure it stays the same. Another option lets you allow or prevent customers from entering discount codes. If you want your customer to be able to apply a discount at checkout, leave this enabled. If the price you've set is final and you don't want any further discounts, turn this off. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Review Invoice. Shopify will show you a preview of exactly what your customer will see, including the items, prices, and payment button. Take a moment to scan through this and confirm all the information is correct. The products, quantities, totals, email address, and any message you included. If everything is accurate, click Send Invoice, again at the bottom right of the pop-up. Shopify will email the invoice directly to your customer, and they'll be able to complete the payment using the methods you've set up in your store. And that's it. You've just created a draft order and sent a professional invoice through Shopify, all from your admin dashboard.